Hi there. Today we are going to talk about the Acharya, the new active seating solution from the Activeseat company. So, what is the Acharya? The Acharya is the next evolution of office chairs. It's an everyday office task chair that also mimics the way we sit on an exercise ball, giving all the benefits of an exercise ball in a traditional office chair design. The idea of sitting on an exercise ball is that the instability of an exercise ball requires the user to increase trunk muscle activation and thus increase core muscle strength, improve posture, and decrease discomfort. Another benefit ball supporters claim is increased calorie burn. Now, let's take a closer look at the Acharya. Technical features. The Acharya has height adjustable lumbar support. Simply hold the lumbar support handles and move them up and down until you reach your desired height. The armrest can be adjusted in all possible directions. They move up and down, forwards and backwards, and you can spread out the armrests to suit the width of your shoulders. In order to adjust the height of the chair, use your foot to press down on the plate. The Acharya can be used as a regular office task chair. Frontal seating. This position allows the pelvis and the lower back to remain in a neutral position and reduce the compression and tension forces placed on the disc and ligament. How? Release the front handle, move slightly towards the middle of the seat, and let the seat recline forward. Maintain this position for 10 minutes and then lock the handle and return to regular sitting. The recommended time for this position, 10 minutes per hour. Swivel sitting. This position decreases the static load that the lower back carries during prolonged sitting, especially when the back is bent forward. How? Sit upright and start moving the pelvis in a clockwise direction and counterclockwise direction. The recommended time for this position, 10 turns in each direction once every 15 minutes. Balance sitting. This position activates the core and pelvic floor muscles to maintain a healthy back. Also, it stimulates the proprioceptive system at the joint to improve the upper body stability and mobility. How? Release the front handle, move slightly forward so that your back does not touch the backrest, and sit upright with your legs firmly on the floor or the footrest. Start rolling your pelvis slowly in all directions and feel the range of motion of the tilt. Now, try to keep the seat stable for half a minute, similar to sitting on an exercise ball. The recommended time for this position, 1 minute every half hour.